Hello kids! Today we are going to see how to draw and color a snake. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To know my next upcoming drawing, watch the video till the end. Come, let's start. First step is to draw two small oval shape for an eye. Draw eyebrow on both the eyes by using upward curve. Now draw U curve for the mouth and draw tongue. From an eyebrow, draw alphabet S curve in a reverse way. Now from same eye, draw C curve and extend the curve parallelly. Now draw closed curve like sharp edge oval from first curve. Now draw oval curve parallel to the first one. Now extend the curve like alphabet C curve. And draw another C curve parallelly and close both the C curve by ending up with sharp edges. Now draw upward curve from the mouth. Draw C curve inside the face and end up near the tail part. Draw small U curve inside the curve, parallelly till the end. Leave equal spaces in between each curve. Remaining tail part, draw small circles or oval shapes till the end. Let's start coloring. Green color. First give the boundary and start filling the color. Red color. Fill the color from top to bottom in a line by line. Pink color. Brown color. black color. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a camel. See you.